Hi! Today I'll show you how to easily remove and replace the earpad cushions on the Bose Quiet Comfort 25 headphones. But this method also works for the QC35 and QC45 models. As you can see, the existing earpads are completely worn out. Before removing the old ones, make sure you've already purchased new replacement earpads. You can find them in online shops. Links are in the video description. To remove the old earpads, simply pull them off using your fingers. The edge of each earpad is held to the headphones with small plastic hooks. It's very easy to take them off, but putting the new ones back on can be a bit trickier. Also, remove the fabric filter. It's dirty, and clean off any glue residue so it doesn't interfere with installing the new set. Remove both earpads in the same way. To install the new earpads, look at the markings on the headphone housing to see which side is left and which is right. Then take the correct fabric filter, remove the protective paper from the double-sided tape, and stick the filter in place. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Next, put on the new earpad cushion. Use your fingernail to push the edge into place. You should hear small clicking sounds, which means the hooks are catching properly. Check that all hooks are holding the earpad securely, then repeat the process for the other side. It might take a little patience the first time, but it's definitely worth it, because your headphones will feel and look like new again. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech videos. Thank you for watching.